Dispute over whether asylum seekers can legally be sent from the UK to Rwanda has gone to the courts again. Let's take you back to remind us all of exactly how we got here. On the 14th of April last year, Priti Patel announced what she called the biggest overhaul of our immigration system in decades and agreed the Rwanda plan. The first flight was due to take off on the 14th of June, but was stopped at the last minute after those on the flight won legal cases. An injunction from the European Court of Human Rights then blocked any further flights from taking off. In December, the High Court here ruled the plan was legal. Now, an appeal against that is being considered. Here's Tessa Chapman.
The Rwanda plan is in Suella Braverman's hands now. And last month, the Home Secretary visited the country to publicise what she sees as a groundbreaking agreement that will solve the small boats crisis. High Court judges ruled in December that the policy is lawful, but charities and asylum seekers are appealing that decision. They say the government hadn't properly examined how safe Rwanda would be.
There is a lot of evidence that Rwanda just doesn't have the capacity or the ability to properly process asylum claims. And so we're worried that people will be sent to Rwanda when it's not safe for them. And for us particularly, we're worried that that will happen more so because people don't have a fair chance to put their case as to why they shouldn't be sent there and just rushed off onto a plane.
9 of the asylum seekers due to be on last June's scrapped flight are included in the appeal. The UN Refugee Agency will be heard too, as well as freedom from torture. Kolbasia is a refugee from Chad who now works for the charity.
As somebody that came here as a torture survivor, right, if I have not given an opportunity to present my case, then I wouldn't be sitting right now or standing right now in front of you talking to you.
The government's lawyers will get their turn to speak on Wednesday, and they stand ready to defend the plan. It is, of course, key to the current illegal migration bill, which is due back before MPs tomorrow. That would allow the UK to detain and deport asylum seekers from small boats without considering their claims. And so it's crucial they have somewhere to send them to. Meanwhile, people are still crossing the channel in small boats, and the debate continues alongside the case. The appeal ruling is expected in June, and whichever side loses, there's likely to be another appeal to the Supreme Court. Tessa Chapman, 5 News at the Royal Courts of Justice.
Well, let's join Tessa live now outside the Royal Courts of Justice. Tessa, you've sort of explained the background to it all. Can you take us through exactly what happened in court today?
Yeah, hi Dan. It was a packed courtroom in front of those 3 top judges. And first of all, we heard from a lawyer who is representing a number of asylum seekers from Iraq, Iran and Syria. And he said that the government's argument that Rwanda is a safe third country is flawed. He described the country as highly autocratic, a repressive state. Of course, the government has already spent £140 million on the deal, even though no asylum seekers have arrived there yet. So expect a robust defence to come from the government on this most divisive of policies.
Tessa, thank you very much for that. It's Tessa Chapman live on 5 News for us.